the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, a life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero? Over the edge, feel like I'm floating.
Guys, look at Dada. Okay guys, looks like it's approved by our kids Scream. So we're gonna change to our outfits now, including the kids, and we're gonna show you our Red Riding Hood family Halloween costume. So we're trick-or-treating in the mall right now. Kylie! Hi, our cute grandma. That is the werewolf, Red Riding Hood, and a baby werewolf.
Through the air, the pain I felt is paid for. All is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling.
Guys, we're going for Kylene. going for Grandma Grandpa's house. We're gonna trick or treat. Yeah, and we're going to
Trick or treat.
trick or treat. Yay! Our werewolf driver and the Red Riding Hood and the grandma and Ava over there, and she's a werewolf. She just removed her hat because it's so hot. So we're back home and we're going to give out some candies.
Oh, there's some coming.
Oh, some people are coming. Ready?
Ready, Kainin?
Ready, Kainin? Come on.
Ready? Give them one bubble gum and one chocolate. Ready?
Trick or treat.
There you go.
Say happy Halloween. Oh, it's a policeman.
There you go.
Oh, more are coming.
There you go. Give them one bubble gum and one chocolate. So pick one.
There you go. Oh, cool. Face paint.
There you go. Oh, that's it. That's it. There you go. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
There you go. Okay, and something else here. You're grabbing a whole handful. Here you go. And you grab like one and one, like this. There you go.
Oh, they're so cute.
Okay.
Hey!
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. So that's everything for today, guys. We're just be giving out more candies for the rest of the night for the kids and trick-or-treaters outside. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Halloween. Happy Halloween. Bye.
Fearless.